Alparslan, TAMIRCI. What are you doing?
I'm doing fixing the car.
Why? What happened to your car?
This is my car. I was going in the yard. Someone's need help, but my car is out of control.
Out of control.
Fixing it.
Okay. Why? Is it the brake loss? Did you have lost brake?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at this.
Why? What happened?
It's here and here.
Let me see.
Here
Where?
and here.
Here and
Here.
okay.
And here and here.
Okay.
I need to fix it all.
Okay. Fix it then. I will go. I'm just checking what are you doing, okay?
I'm fixing the tire. And I'll put this part.
We're fixing the tire.
Parts.
Okay. So what's that? Is this your TAMIRCI cassette? Okay.
And I find the part.
So how long it will take that one?
4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you have so good car. What color is it?
It's white.
It's white color. Okay. Let me see. Okay.
Someone's chair.
Okay.
Someone's car broken.
Someone's car broken.
Yes.
Okay.
It's all done.
It's all done. Okay, can you try it now then? Slowly. Up. Oh.
All done.
All done. Okay.
I'm going bye-bye.
Okay, bye. See you later.
Right back.
Okay.
And fix my car again.
Okay. So can you say bye-bye to your friend?
I will come.
You will come back.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm fixing the car back.
You will fix again your car?
Yes.
Okay.
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 Fix my car.
Why? What happened again to your car?
It's broke again.
It's broken again.
Yes.
Okay. Slowly. Oh. You're so strong.
I get to cut this part.
We're going to cut that part. Okay.
And cut it.
Oh, so you cut it. Okay. And then? And then? What are you going to do now? Let me see. What's that?
Screwdriver and a piece.
Screwdriver and a screw.
Yes.
Okay.
Screwdriver is here.
Okay.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Okay.
Okay, this didn't not done.
So this is done.
No, I should go on this. I can't try this. Let's try it.
Okay.
Oh man,
What?
it's too much late.
It's so much what?
So much late. I said. So much late. So other time we were fixing the car.
Yeah.
I think. It's all done.
It's all done. Okay.
Okay. See you later.
Okay, see you later. Bye.
Bye. Bye bye guys. See you in my next video. And you subscribe and ring the bell and you subscribe.
And like.
And like my videos. Bye.